Hi, welcome to my channel. Is your baby fuzzy and his nappies are empty? It most likely means that they are having tummy trouble. While infant constipation is not usually serious, it can cause quite a bit of worry for you. The first treatment for baby's constipation is to try home remedies. In this video, I have put up tips on how you can deal with your baby's constipation. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button and also like it to support my channel. First up is give your baby a warm bath. Warm water isn't just effective on your baby's inside, it can also help when your baby is uncomfortable from the symptoms of constipation. A nice soak in a warm aromatic bath can be very soothing. You will observe that after some few seconds, your baby will release lots of gas and have a bowel movement. Next up is take your baby rectal temperature. Rectal stimulation can help your baby's bowels to move. Use Vaseline to lubricate the tip of a rectal thermometer and insert it into your baby's bottom. Very gently waggle just the tip a few times before removing it. The stimulation will often cause a bowel movement to occur. Next is massage your baby's tummy. With your baby on his back, place your hand on his belly button using a clockwise motion. If she fuzzes or cries, you're pressing too hard. Next up is give your baby bicycle legs. Sometimes making your baby's body move will help get his bowels moving too. Place your baby on his back in front of you. Lift up his legs and move them in a circular motion to mimic the motions of pedalling a bicycle. The movement should help to release some abdominal pressure and get things going in the right direction. After one of these tips, most especially giving your baby a bath, you will observe that your baby is happy and very relaxed. If these suggestions do not help get the ball rolling, your pediatrician can recommend more extreme measures. However, I do think that these tips will most likely get your little diaper soiling factory up and running again. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video for more educative tips on how to make your baby comfortable. Bye bye.